To share with you a journal kit that I've put together. This is very similar to the ones that I done last week or the week before. So I'm going to show you everything that you get with it. I'm going to move some things to one side. So I'll start with the pockets. So I've made 2 of these pockets. They unfold like this, and obviously that all flips out and it just pops in. So I've done one for a left and a right. That's just how I would use it. You can use it any way you like, and when I glue them down onto the page I would just glue here and here and pop it onto let me find a page. I'll just use this bit of music paper. So I would just glue it onto the page like that. This one I would glue like that. So there's 2 of them with little doilies and butterfly embellishments. Then there is the corner flips, which would glue down like that and open up, and then you have a tuck. Again, doily and the butterfly embellishments. There's 2 of those. You can work them both ways. You can put them in your journals however you like. So there's 2 of them. Then there's 2 of these ones, and these are the ones, they're the double pocket flip outs, just like that, and then it all folds back up just like that. And I've just popped a paper clip on there to hold it closed. So I've done a lefty and a righty. Then we have, move that out of the way now, 2 Edith Holden pockets. You could use these as you know, floating pockets, or you could just glue them into your journals, entirely up to you. So they are like so. So you've got that, and that's how they're decorated. These die cuts, these and these are from Tsunami Rose. If you go over and check her website out, you can buy these already cut out and in bags for you. And the words I've just picked out of my big box of words. Then we have 4 tags, 4 large tags, stenciled, well, coffee dyed, stenciled, stamped, and they've got some eyelash trim on them. So you've got 4 of them. Then you have 4 of these ones, and they've just got some tabs on the top of them. Again, they've been stamped, stenciled, and coffee dyed. Then we have 6 tags, all different stamps, stenciled and stamped. So that's 6 of them. Then I have popped, alright, these are all the pagey things. There is 4 CD cases, haven't been coffee dyed because you may not want to, you might just want to stencil them or ink them up. So 4 of them. There is 4 guest checks, and there is this library tag. There is 4 of these little coin envelopes, and 4 index cards. There's 4 of these envelopes here, and they're just like that. So there's 4 of them. You've got 2 of these paper bags, and then you've got 2 of these paper bags. I love that colour. 2 little envelopes here that I've made. These are just made from coffee dyed paper, so you could decorate them up if you like. There is 2 recipe cards. Then there is 4 of these note pages. There is 2 of these long doilies. They're like an off-white colour. Then there's 4 of these, excuse me, 4 of these doilies. There is this paper bag, that's a paper bag as well, and this one here. There's 2 of these. There is 6 of these little vintage dictionary pages. Then there is 6 of these large dictionary pages. We have, hope I'm in frame, 2 of these large flower book pages. These are huge, as you can see, and the flowers are absolutely gorgeous on them. And then that one with that on the other side. So there's them 2. There's 2 of these are houseplant. I haven't tore them apart yet. These houseplant book pages. There is 4 Edith Holden book pages. These haven't been ripped apart yet either. You've got 2 of these large paper bags, which you could use within your journal, or you could use it and pop a journal inside. They're block bottom, so you can do whatever you like with them. There is 2 of these lined coffee or tea dyed papers. I can't remember because I do a mixture of all sorts when I'm doing them. And then 10 of these. I think these are tea dyed. These are A4 size. So you've got enough there to make yourself a journal or 2 journals. So that is everything that you get. Let me just pop all that over there. Obviously this will be listed in my shop, and if you have any questions just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.